This is silk papel. Papel seda. You can buy books of don't this size, big size you can cut. Not special and normal paper, but no problem any paper. You understand? Thank you. And thank you very much for your secretary, man, sir, teacher, all the teacher. Muchas gracias, director. Muchas gracias. And just royal, like the roll. You understand roll? Yes, thank you. Just roll, please. One. Another one. Don't outside, inside. No pegamenta, no glue. And royal. Like the roll, please. This is for the two color. One more, three color. But you can use 4 color, 5 color, no problem. I'm sorry, I have practice. I can roll fast, you can down fast, you can slowly. Okay? 3 color. Take the scissor. Inside 4 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4. And down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. One paper, please. You can light inside and slowly light. This is very easy model and very easy. Okay. 5 color. And 6. This design, Christmas decoration, school decoration, class decoration. 6 and 7. 7 and 8. But you can use 20, 10, no problem. Take the scissor. Inside cut the 3 kotre. 1, 2, and 1 more 3. Don't all cuts. Okay? Okay? And down. You understand? 2 roll. Take the scissor. Inside 5 cuts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, students? Yes. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. And down. And down. 2 roll. Come please. 1 paper. Take please. Thank you very much. Gracias. Like this. Two color and 3 color paper. 1 small, 1 big. Like small no cut and big cut like a knife, like the kuchiya. Like this. 1, 2. You can open the leaves. This is 2 color leaves. 1 down and 1 color a. Pencils down and press. 1 paper you can light inside and slowly and light. This is for the one design. And down and twist roll another design. Like this is another design. Cut and down. Slower. Like that. Okay. And 3 color 3. One cut here middle. One cut here middle. Don't roll cuts. And down. 1, 2, 3. Small cut. Press down T. The.
ठेवा व्यवस्थेला ती